Hi there, in this video I want to show you how you can process credit card payments in Dynamics 365 F&O without retail functionalities using the Stripe payment gateway. We'll start with account receivable parameters where we need to create new terms of payment. I will specify name, description, and I must select the value for the payment type field. It must be credit card. I will click Save Now. Next, we go to account receivable parameters and specify the ledger account number for payment posting. I must go to credit card fast stop and I will enter the ledger account number. Next, we will configure Stripe payment gateway. I will navigate to the Payment Services form from the Account Receivable module and create new configuration for Stripe. I will click New. I will enter the name. In the Payment Connector field, I must select the Stripe Payment Connector. I will delete currencies, supported currencies. And I must enter the Gateway Client and Gateway Secret. These values I can find on Stripe portal, developer section, API keys tab. I will click Save. Next, I will go to electronic payment types and enter the customer payment journal name for each tender. The last step here is to mark the payment gateway as default payment processor for new credit cards. The important point to note is that the record with payment gateway configuration is encrypted in the database with an environment key. This means that if you move the database from production to sandbox, then the payment gateway configuration must be reconfigured from scratch. This eliminates the risk of accidental charges to real credit cards. Now we go to the All Customers list page and select the customer and generate a new credit card token. I will go to Customer tab, hit Credit Card, and create a new. This process is PCI compliant. We do not keep any sensitive information in the database, such as card numbers or CVV. We only save the Stripe card token. I must enter the test card number, expiration date, CVV, first name and last name. I will pick the country, United States. And I will enter address. Now I can click Submit. Okay, the card token is saved. Now we can create a new sales order. I will create new. I will pick our customer for what we just saved a credit card token, and with default parameters I will create a new sales order. I will pick a service item. Here I must specify site and I will save it, and I will switch to header section. I will navigate to the price and discount section. I will select the payment term. I will pick Stripe. And when I pick a Stripe payment term, this field credit card number is getting available. And I will pick our saved card. Now I can save. I will generate an invoice, and I expect that we will create a new chart through Stripe. I will click OK. And in the meantime, I will open new tab and open credit card history form. As you can see, we have successfully posted an invoice, and this is our sales order number, and I can see that we have successfully created a chart in Stripe. I will switch to Stripe portal. I will enter our payment intent, and I will find our payment. Now, what will happen if I create a credit note for the sales order? Then in this case, we must revert our payment and we must send a refund request to Stripe. I will create a new credit note. Click OK. I will click Save. And I will generate a new invoice for sales line cancellation. As you can see here, we have the sales line with negative quantity. When I generate invoice, I will pick all, click OK, and I will go to the credit card history. As you can see, refund has been recorded in this form, and if I go to our payment intent in Stripe portal, then I will be able to see that this payment has been refunded. And here you go. You can see payment refunded. And that's it. Thank you for watching.